So here we have is the LG SK5R. There's two versions, just the normal SK5R, which is the subwoofer and the soundbar, but this one's got back speakers that connects wireless as well to this little box. This is usual box, so nothing special to see here. It's going to open up in. So as soon as you open, you have the soundbar. The subwoofer, some accessories, and this seems to be the receiver for the back speakers, the rear speakers, to be honest. Okay, so I'm gonna unbox all this. Before that, I'll show what's in here. So we have a power adapter, a small remote to operate the soundbar, normal power lead, another power lead. This looks like, so these are the brackets to mount the soundbar, and you get some battery, user guide, another long paper to give you guidance on the measurement to put the soundbar, mount the soundbar, and a few more guides for the rear wireless speaker kit. So here we have the soundbar, some lights in front to show, some points to mount the speakers, HDMI in, HDMI out, and a USB port, and port in and optical in, and that's the power cable. So, and the volume control and the power button function button. That's that. Just a standard subwoofer, nothing. The power cable and a play button. So these are the rear speaker, quite nice, light. Which this one you hook up to the wireless speaker kit. So you plug this separately. So yeah, let me get this speaker system plugged in and get it set up.